Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we've got some honey garlic salmon. Real easy to do. I know some people are intimidated by fish, and I have absolutely no idea why. It's really simple if you just follow a few basic rules. Like, with salmon, I cook it 95% on the skin. In the last couple minutes, I flip it and I sear it on the top. You don't really go for a well-done salmon. I go to about medium to medium well. Don't worry, it's fine. It's salmon. Any pink fish you can have fucking rare. So, again, 95% of the skin, flip it. All I've done, olive oil, salt, pepper. The only special thing I'm going to be adding here to the top of it is some paprika. So again, fish is not a big deal. If it's white fish like catfish, polk, halibut, sea bass, that you do have to cook all the way through. But for things like salmon and tuna, salmon and tuna you can have raw if you've ever had sushi. So, right, as you can see, just a little bit of paprika on the top. And again, 95% on the skin, 5% on the flesh side. And we're ready to make the sauce. Okay, the sauce goes as follows. You need a half a tablespoon of olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic minced, a half a cup of honey, a quarter cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. And basically you want to stir all this in. And basically, you just want to let this cook for a couple of minutes, let it simmer around a little bit. And then you kind of want to, the last couple of minutes of cooking, baste the fish with this a little bit. And then use whatever's left over for the plate, which we're going to get to now. As you can see, whisk it together, let it come up to temp, and then kind of use it as a basting liquid during the last couple of minutes of cooking. As you can see, our salmon is done. Got that little sauce dripping on it. And I gotta say, this was absolutely delicious. And yeah, not much more to say. Try this the next time you get a piece of salmon. All right, honey garlic salmon, done.